Okay, there is a new thing from Google called Google Poly. And in the share domain, I'm able to do some things that I can't in the learn domain. I'm hoping that we can enable that. So on the left is Poly opened in my share drive, and on the right is Poly opened in my learn drive. So I'm using different browsers so they don't talk to each other. Um, if I go to create a tour, meaning I can go to I can make a 3D tour using Google Street View. It's amazing. So I can go create a tour in both of them. Now I can have my tours that I can work on, or I can create a new tour. I can also go to templates, and there are templates in the share domain. So, for example, I could do a tour of the human respiratory system. I mean, that's crazy cool. But when I go to the Learn domain and go to templates, there are none available there. So I'm hoping that that could be enabled. These are templates that you can use to um, create your own tours. So check out some of the tours that you think of and see if we can enable it in the Learn domain too.